Hello students, open your EVS textbook to page number 1 and first lesson, food and feeding habits of animals. Food is the basic necessity of all the animals living on the earth. It helps them to grow and stay healthy. It also provides energy to do work. On the basis of their feeding habits, animals are of the following types: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Herbivores, all the plant catching animals are called herbivores. Animals are herbivores. Animals like cows, giraffe, horses, deer, goats, rabbits, etc. are herbivores as they eat grass or green plants. Carnivores, all flesh-eating animals are called carnivores. Animals are carnivores. Animals like lion, tiger, leopard, etc. are carnivores as they eat flesh of other animals. Omnivores, animals that eat both plants and flesh of animals are called omnivores. Animals are omnivores. Animals like bear, crow and cats are omnivores as they eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Food chain. Some animals eat only plants, while some animals eat the plants eating animals. In other words, we can say that animals either directly or some animals eat only plants, while some animals eat the plant-eating animals. In other words, we can say that animals either directly or indirectly depend on the plants for their food. This is like a chain and is called a food chain. All food chains begin with a plant and end with an animal. Let us see the given food chains below. Feeding habits of animals. Different types of food are eaten by different types of animals. The feeding habits of an animal depend on the types of food an animal eats. The mouth of an animal is suited to the types of food it eats. Animals that swallow the food. Some flesh-eating animals such as snakes and frogs do not have biting or chewing teeth, those they swallow their food whole. A frog has a long, sticky tongue to catch its prey on spotting an insect. It shoots out its sticky tongue. The insect gets stuck on the tongue and the frog then swallows the insect. Animals that gnaw the food. Gnaw means to bite something repeatedly or chew it hard. Animals such as rats, squirrels and rabbits eat the hard parts of plants like nuts, fruits and seeds. They have very sharp and long front teeth that help them to bite these hard foods. Such animals gnaw the food. animals that tear the flesh and chew it. Carnivores such as lion, tiger, fox, etc. have sharp, pointed and curved front teeth to tear flesh. They also have strong broad and flat back teeth to grind the bones and chew the flesh. Animals that eat plants and chew the food. Animals such as horses, cows, goats and buffaloes have sharp and broad front teeth which help them to cut and bite the grass, leaves and plants. They also have strong grinding teeth at the back for chewing the food. Such animals first swallow the food without chewing it. After some time, they bring it back into their mouths and chew it with their grinding teeth. This is called chewing the cud. Feeding habits of some other animals. An elephant has a long, thick trunk which helps it to eat and drink. It uses its trunk to uproot grass and tear off branches from trees. It also uses its trunk to suck water and shoot it into the mouth. Insects like butterflies and bees have long sucking tubes which help them to suck nectar from flowers. Similarly, mosquitoes to have sucking tubes to suck. Leech also sucks blood from the bodies of other animals. Cats and dogs uses their tongue to lap up milk and water. Care of domestic animals. Domestic animals are helpful to us. Animals such as donkeys, horses, oxen and camels carry heavy loads for us. They are called draught animals. Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. They are called milch animals. Will get full from sip. Hens and ducks gives us eggs. Hence we should take proper care of these animals. We should feed them well. Drought animals need energy giving food, so they should be fed on oat and fodder. Milch animals need milk producing food, so they should be fed on grass and oil seeds. Them shelters of the domestic animals should be cleaned regularly.